How to play Roblox on a Chromebook. To install Roblox on your Chromebook, ensure your Chrome OS is updated to the latest version and you have at least 16 GB of free space for a better gameplay experience. Step 1. Turn on the Google Play Store. Go to your Settings, Apps, Google Play Store, turn on. Step 2. Set up Google Play Store. At the bottom of the modal, click on More. On the next screen, also at the bottom of the modal, click on Accept. This will begin the setup process. Step 3. Go to the Apps Launcher and open the Google Play Store. Once the installation is done, you can find the Google Play Store by clicking on the Apps Launcher on the bottom left side of the screen. Click on the Play Store button in the launcher. Step 4. Search Roblox on the Play Store. Use the search bar on the top and search for Roblox. It will show you the Roblox app. Step 5. Install Roblox. Now click on Install and wait until the installation finishes. You can now play Roblox on your Chromebook. From time to time, you will need to update Roblox to keep having the best user experience.